Assalamu alaikum guys, today I'm gonna show you how to unlock iCloud permanent lost and clean with Hermes Tool Windows tool. So download Windows tool, this is the link, and install this tool. This is Windows tool, it's very fast working. So installing finish, then when you finish, after open this tool automatically. So you can see this tool open now. You connect your phone, then click start process. Also copy your IMEI. When you click start process, when confirm this processing done, then same time you need to order first. Okay, this congratulations, your device is supported. Then just copy this IMEI, then go to online idunlocker.com. Then login. Okay, then click IMEI service and type your model, and you can search here Hermes. This is Hermes. Then you can search model, just what the access and iPhone 11, anything, and click first your IMEI number and then click order or place. Then when go order process, after 15 minutes will be done your phone, and you can see how to done, how many minutes, everything have here. See what are also already done. We just check for when going to process. After I check this IMEI number, so you can see this is already done. I order FMI off, but FMI off on reply server maybe 2 minutes 3 minutes late. Just you can see also reply here, FMI off done. Okay guys, so you can see this only 12 minutes only 12 minutes done. You see this is 12 minutes. After you can replay this.